Trump's crypto policies spark global concerns as France warns of financial instability. Donald Trump's pro-cryptocurrency stance is sending shockwaves through global financial markets, drawing both support and criticism. While many in the United States hail his approach as a step toward financial innovation, European leaders, particularly in France, are raising alarms about the potential risks of an unregulated crypto economy. The debate underscores a growing divide between the US and Europe over the future of digital assets and financial stability. France sounds the alarm on Trump's crypto policies. The governor of the Bank of France, François Villeroy de Galhau, has issued a stark warning about the potential consequences of Trump's crypto-friendly policies. In an interview with La Tribune Dimanche, Villeroy de Galhau expressed concerns that the US is playing with fire by promoting unregulated cryptocurrencies and non-bank financial institutions. The European Union has made significant strides in integrating cryptocurrencies into its financial framework, implementing regulatory measures to mitigate risks. However, a lack of regulatory oversight in the US could pose challenges for European economies, increasing financial volatility across the continent. Europe's growing unease over US crypto policies. France is not alone in its concerns. Several EU officials have voiced apprehensions that Trump's approach to cryptocurrency could undermine Europe's financial stability. The fear is that the US could become a breeding ground for financial instability, with lax regulations allowing unchecked speculation and market manipulation. Europe has, in many ways, taken the lead in bridging the gap between traditional banking and the crypto sector. Unlike the US, which is still in the process of developing a coherent regulatory framework, European financial institutions have already integrated digital assets into their banking systems. This cautious but proactive approach is seen as a safeguard against market volatility and potential economic downturns. However, European leaders fear that if the US pursues a policy of deregulation, it could encourage reckless financial behavior, triggering instability in global markets. Villeroy de Galhau has consistently warned that weak regulations in the US could have a domino effect, negatively impacting the global financial system. Trump's crypto strategy, a vision for innovation, or a risky gamble? Trump's position on cryptocurrency remains controversial. His supporters argue that a pro-crypto stance will boost economic growth, attract investment, and position the US as a leader in blockchain innovation. They see the adoption of digital assets at a national level as a way to increase financial inclusion and modernize the financial sector. On the other hand, critics caution that an unchecked crypto market could expose investors to significant risks, from market volatility to fraud. The lack of stringent regulations could lead to a repeat of past financial crises, particularly if speculative bubbles form within the digital asset space. Not everyone shares the pessimistic outlook voiced by European officials. Investment giant Franklin Templeton recently highlighted Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve as a potentially positive development. The firm argues that embracing cryptocurrency could strengthen the US economy in the long run, providing financial resilience against inflation and economic downturns. The future of cryptocurrency regulation or free market. As Trump's crypto policies continue to shape global financial discourse, the world faces a critical decision. Should governments embrace a more open crypto economy, or should stricter regulations be enforced to safeguard financial stability? The path ahead is uncertain. While some view Trump's policies as a necessary step toward financial modernization, others fear they could lead to unchecked risks and economic instability. What is clear, however, is that cryptocurrency is no longer a fringe asset. It is now a central issue in the global economic landscape. Whether through innovation or regulation, its impact on global finance is undeniable, and the decisions made today will shape the financial future for years to come.